How to enable recommend explicit content on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable recommend explicit content on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one here, explicit content. Now just click on it, and then here you will find do not recommend explicit content, and here all you need to do is just disable it, this one. If you want to enable recommend explicit content, you need to disable this one here and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.